Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about the View My Work feature in Classwork in Google Classroom. This demo will be from a student's perspective. This video will help you identify complete and incomplete work in two different ways, access your scores using the View My Work option, and view teacher comments from the View My Work option. Let's get started with the tutorial. When I first enter Google Classroom, I will see all of my classes tiled together. One way to look at all of my assignments is to go to the menu and look at the to-do list. Check out my other video for using this feature. The View My Work feature is located in the classes. When I first enter Google Classroom, I'll notice three tabs across the top: the Stream, the Classwork, and the People. We're going to look at the Classwork. At the very top of the page, I notice that there is a View Your Work option. I'm going to click on that now. This page will list all of the assignments that I have either completed or been assigned for this class. In the far right, it will tell me the status of the assignment, turned in, missing, or a score that I have received after my teacher has graded the task. This assignment shows that there is one comment that has been left by the teacher. I can click on the attachment to view the comment. This attachment will open in a new tab. When I finish viewing the comment, I can close the tab. Check out my other tutorial video about the to-do list, which will show you all of your missing and graded work from all of your classes. Be sure to check out my other student tutorial videos about Google Classroom on my YouTube channel and hit those like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on any tips to help you succeed in your virtual classroom. Thanks again for watching, and stay well.